Step 1. First, prepare a long cardboard for the broom handle and dustpan. Make 4 sides to form a handle and prepare the raffia rope. After that, prepare a cardboard with the length of 30 centimeters and the width of 4 centimeters. Step 2. Then prepare the bottom of the broom and also a place for the raffia. Step 3. Make the bristles of the broom using a raffia rope like the video. Step 4. After that, stick the raffia rope on the cardboard that was prepared earlier. Step 5. Combine the 2 cardboard boxes that have been attached with the raffia rope so that they can form the shape of a broom in general. Step 6. Combine the handle and bottom of the broom. After that, it will become a broom for cleaning your floor. Step 7. To make the dustpan, we have to prepare a cardboard of different sizes. Step 8. Combine the parts to form a dustpan using a glue gun or hot glue like the video. Step 9. Finally, combine the two parts of the dustpan handle and the bottom that you made earlier to make up a dustpan. Your broom and dustpan are now finished.